Hi, in front of me I have a REALME Narzo 30 and I'm gonna show you how to copy the contacts from the SIM card on this device. First we need to open the contacts app. To do it, simply swipe upwards on the screen to open the app menu and then tap on the contacts icon. In contacts, let's tap on this icon in the top left corner to open the menu. Here select the settings. Then scroll down and tap on import. Now we need to select from where we want to copy the contacts. So we're gonna select the SIM card and tap OK. And right here we have list of contacts saved on our SIM card, and we can check or uncheck them to select the contacts we want to copy. I'm gonna check, for example, 3 of them, and then you can tap on import to import the contacts you want. As you can see, it says 3 SIM contacts imported. We can go back to the contacts list, and here we have them, as you can see. And that's how you copy the contacts from the SIM card on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.